Hey guys, today we're going to review a service called ClickBank. So ClickBank is an affiliate marketing service that purports to help grow your business, provides you links through which you can send to people to download and earn a small amount of money depending on the people who buy the products that you link. So I already created my account. Actually, no. So I'm going to click off this screen for a second to protect my confidential information. So now that we've created our account, there's this offer to join the Discord group. For now, I'm not going to do that. And I'm just going to go and explore some of the features of this app. So for a second I had to click away because I needed to enter confidential information, but right off the bat you can create nicknames for yourself, and you can even add new users. And there's the affiliate marketplace. So let's see what some of the top offers are. So I do not like to promote diets because I think the diet industry is kind of unethical. Soft candy. So we can see a lot of these seem to be like relating to weight loss supplements and such. But you can also filter it by categories like arts and entertainment. It's always a good idea to look into the companies in which you're potentially promoting. So we see that the site is secure. Of course, that doesn't necessarily mean it is secure or credible, because anybody can really get a web certificate. So does this site seem credible? Let's take a look at another site. Audio engineer. So we see that the page we're looking for is not available. So usually when no affiliate sales are available, that oftentimes seems to be an indicator that the site, and there's no gravity score either, so that's a reason to be suspicious that the site even exists. But we see here that there's a recurring rebuild of $10.17. So this is some service that purports to teach me how to freestyle.